My mom wouldn't let me use tampons when I was living at home. Now that I'm in college, I want to learn how to use them, but I don't know where to find help. Could you show me a quick how-to?
Yes, absolutely. And don't feel embarrassed about that. We teach people how to use tampons at all ages. But I have a special prop I'm going to pull out. It's called our vulva puppet. Are you ready?
Yes.
So, when you are going to put in a tampon, first steps, you're just going to wash your hands and you're going to open your tampon. So let's do that. Knowing that the tampon is inside here, and this blue thing on the outside is the applicator, right? So you've washed your hands, you know where your vagina is. Today, the vagina is here, and you're gonna find a position that's comfortable for you. So for a lot of people, that may be sitting on the toilet, you might lie down, you might squat, whatever's most comfortable, because the key is to relax. And then you're gonna take your tampon and put the tip at the opening of your vagina. Now, one thing to know is that the angle of your vagina is not straight up. So if this is your vulva, you actually angle the tampon towards your lower back. Then you insert it from the tip to the grip, and your fingers will be touching your vulva. At that point, you push the plunger, and that sends the tampon into your vagina, and this comes out. This never stays in there. That would be really uncomfortable. And then all that's left is the string on the outside. Mm-hmm. It's really easy, and even though it sounds intimidating, I'm sure you can do it.